Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new Road to 3K iRating series. And today guys, we're back at the production car challenge within iRacing, which is a multi-class racing if you're watching here for the first time. It's got 4 classes: the Mazda MX-5, the Renault Clio, the Toyota and the BMW M2. And today we're at Summit Point Raceway, a circuit that I know pretty well. I had a coach here which coached me a lot, which gave me a lot of lap time. There's actually another coaching video on my YouTube as well on how I gained a lot of lap time on iRacing. I know the track pretty well, I practice a lot, I feel really confident, but it's really tricky. It's a really narrow track, so it's not really suitable for multi-class. So chaos guaranteed, and without further ado guys, let's jump straight into the qualifying. We are into the quali session, 10 participants, and for now I only see guys with our iRating. So that's pretty interesting, because the last time we had a crazy strength of field with 7k iRating guys in endurance race and 6k iRating, and I think I was the lowest with 2.2, which is insane. Who actually was top split, so that was really cool. My first top split. We're definitely not at top split now, I can tell you that. But guys, the strategy for this race is gonna be simple. As you probably already have noticed, this track is narrow. And the thing is, we're racing here with 43 cars, which have like a lot of faster cars because we're the slowest car. So it's gonna get crazy. So it's gonna be really important here to drive safe. Don't take too much risk because there's gonna be carnage and most of people will get taken out. So we gotta be really careful, and we gotta be really careful with letting faster cars go through as well, because they probably expect us to easily let them go, which will be risky. And without further ado guys, of course a really good quali position in a really packed multi-class race is important. So let's look in now for a good quali lap. Okay, that was good. Yeah, okay, that was good. 126, nice. I'm really happy with that. That's a really good lap. Oh, guys, I was so scared that I threw away quali again, which I'm really good at too. Qualifying. But for now, we're looking in a really good spot, guys. It looks like we're getting pole position. Whoa, the other guys are really close. They're actually within 3,000 of a second. That's crazy. Guys, yeah, we did what we could. We got pole. We can decide the pace, when to start. So we gotta choose a really strong point, because the problem is this track has a really long straight. So for MX-5, it's like the slipstream heaven. It's really hard to try to create a gap and to drive away. So I hope with a lot of carnage, and that if we drive consistently, don't make big mistakes, really choose a really strong start point of the race, because we can decide when to start since we're from pole and it's a rolling start. Ooh, I'm nervous guys, it's gonna be really important. It's been a long time since we've been on pole, so actually don't mind the outfit. I didn't have time to change outfits from work. I actually put the relatives on for you as well guys, because at the top you can see like the standings from the race and from other classes, and with the relative I think we have a better eye on like the exact gap to the other cars. Oh, okay. Oh, we gotta be so careful in this opening lap, because the grip is gonna be bad. An incident now. Oh, I don't like that we're so close to the Toyotas, because there are 23 Toyotas. Okay, good start I guess. Careful here with cold tires. Oh, watch out. Oh. Yeah, that's the next. Oh man. Oh no. Watch out, please. Oh, and this stupid Toyotas. Try to use BMW here. He almost took me out, that idiot. There's slight damage. I can definitely feel it. Oh my god, behind it went all wrong. Okay, he's helping me. Nice, so we can work together. Let's try to pull away with this guy. Oh. Oh. I didn't even notice that Toyota, that was crazy. I only noticed him when my spotter said it, so we gotta be more careful. But so far we're driving really clean. We created a gap, and I hope that the number 2 and 3 are gonna fight, because then we can simply just pull away. Yeah, cool, 7/10. I hit the curb there, but my coach told me you shouldn't do that because it unsettles the car like crazy, so I gotta be careful for that. Almost a second off, guys, so it will be lovely. Oh, what? There's some Toyotas in the mix. Where did they come from? I think they are the ones that crashed. And I see that they're battling. That scares me a bit as well. Yeah, I see them, mate. Oh shit, watch out. Yeah, you can go past me here, that's fine. Oh, okay. Let's try to get into a slipstream. Okay, we got a big gap to the Mazda behind, but these guys are fighting. That can be really, really dangerous, because if they hit each other, I could get involved as well, and that's of course what we don't want. So I backed off a little bit there, probably slightly lost me some time, but for now we're still in a prime position, guys. So 1.3 gap, guys. Ooh, they're side to side. Let's keep an eye on that. Exactly, because of that. It's so predictable with these guys. It says he has to back off slightly. The guy behind is closing in, which I'm not really happy with. And I'm quite sure that this guy has the potential to crash again, because he's driving pretty weird. But for now, okay. He's going to box or what? Yes? Okay. Oh, that was really bad. I was a bit distracted with him boxing. Oh shit. Yeah, they're gaining so fast. I think they're working together. Bad turn 1. Okay, guys, our little gap is completely gone. Okay, if he would send it there, I would have let him go, because we don't want to lose too much time to the group behind us. And then I just have slipstream to attack in the next one. So I'm not really afraid to lose the lead here. Ooh, is he going to do it here? Okay, no. Alright, that was a good section. Whew. Okay, we created a bit of a gap, but he's still too close for us. If he's going to attack me here, I'll accept it, but I think he might bomb drop me. Or he'll lift. No, he's going to attack. Oh. Yeah, that was a bit stupid from me. I shouldn't have lifted so much. Oh, that's so dumb. Okay. We can put on the pressure to make them a bit scared, but of course we're not going to attack her. I think it's okay to give them a little bit of pressure now with the lead, and maybe they'll attack each other because they're greedy. And I have all the time in the world, because I know this race is still quite long. And look, I might already overtake them now. I think I'll sit back because I'm happy where we're at right now. Or not. Okay, I actually wanted to overtake P2 because P4 was closing in and I didn't want to be vulnerable to lose another position. So I think P2 is actually to position myself in the best spot possible. And now we just gotta stay close and get a good exit for the straight, take over the lead. Ooh, the BMWs are coming. I see them in the minimap. I was already asking when they would come. Oh, this is gonna be so scary. Oh, it's getting blocked. Oh, I was scared looking in my mirrors there because of the M2. Is it the M2 actually? No, it's a Toyota.
Still there.
Oh.
Keep to the left. You're on the left. 3 wide. Clear. Now on your left.
Yeah, that was a bit stupid from this guy because he was pushing too much. I think we have front wheel damage because I can feel the cars a bit wobbling. Oh my god. So it makes sense that we have problems cornering to the right. Oh, we gotta watch out there. Oh, what the hell? I have it behind me. Huh? Someone went off. I couldn't see because I was focusing so much on trying to get out of the crazy carnage there. Oh my god, who is this guy? I don't like this. We gotta be extremely careful here.
Problemi!
Okay, no, it's good.
Problemi, attenzione, colpo di scena!
Oh. Yeah, you could already tell that was going to happen. Oh my. Oh my god, I was actually prepared to brake later to defend and I had to look so much in my mirrors. Wow, I've never had to do that so much before and now I'm going to let this BMW go. What do you think, mate? That you can drive through me? Oh my god. This guy, you can see that he's on my inside. Use your brain, man. What the We're so lucky that our car doesn't have major damage because we got the hit like so many times. I can feel that the alignment of the car is literally so bad right now. I can feel like I'm porpoising like an F1 car or something. It's insane. What the? I'm gonna let this Toyota go. I'm going for a good exit here. So, wow, here. That was my voice. Oh, but that guy, it's so hard to drive with these guys. But we have 3 minutes left, so now we have to lock in and get this hard-fought win, guys. But so can we. Beautiful little sun there. Oh, we can use that carnage. And I ruined that corner. Yeah, that's not ideal when you're trying to secure the back of a win. Yeah, this is annoying. I don't know what I'm seeing. It was looking like he was going to try on the inside and then he changed. I tried to let him go. Switch back. my god, if we get this, I'll go crazy. Let's go! He was thinking about it, but I blocked it. Let's go, guys! Finally a win! Oh my god, we fought so hard for that with a crazy overtake. Get in! Oh man, this race was intense. Woohoo! Come on! Oh, GG to Sean. Yeah, that was really clean. Shout out to Sean Mountcastle. Because we had a slight miscommunication. Because it was looking that he wanted to overtake me on the inside. He was going to send it. And I was like, okay, I'll gladly let him. Because if he overtakes me, I got the slips from the straight. But then he moved back and I braked it once. So my bad. But I think besides we had really clean racing. Like, of course, some contact. But damn, guys, that overtake. Damn, I think it was my best overtake ever. It was for the win. That was crazy. Oh, GG's, guys. That was enjoyable. We had pole, we won the race, we lost the lead a couple of times. We had crazy moments with traffic overtaking us. And this is why I love multi-class racing. It was insane, guys. Let's go. Finally the win. Let's look into the results. Come on! Oh my god, guys, we're into the results and I'm still so red from that race. Look at that, guys, we're here in the results and get in! We get that race win, lad. That's lovely for our road to 3K iRating. And we're closing in. I think we drove really well. We deserved that win. I think the top 3 group was really competitive, so it was really nice racing against them. At some point we had a gap, but then they closed it again. So unfortunately we couldn't drive away and win it dominantly, but still, of course, it's more entertaining. But yeah, 82 iRating. That's simply lovely, as I would say. And we gain a lot of safety rating, which is actually interesting because we got involved in a lot of crashes, but I think there were mostly people crashing into us. And I think that's because when like faster cars are overtaking you and the guy behind, he sees an opportunity to overtake you and he keeps his foot on the throttle. Yeah, beside each other, you have to slow down. It's tricky, so you get a lot of incidents. I'm happy we didn't have enough damage that we maybe couldn't drive anymore because you could definitely feel the grip. It was really tough to turn in some corners. And wow, that was challenging to still make it overtake. Oh, but I still was overtaking my head. That was insane, guys. I love that so much. I got actually feedback from the last video from someone to crop the results. So I hope you guys can see it now better and can see the full results. It might be a bit cropped on YouTube, but I hope you guys like it more. Please let me know. And guys, thank you so much for the support on the previous videos because I can see a major momentum in the YouTube videos. I've been uploading now for almost 30 weeks in a row every week. I'm grinding uploading and I'm grinding practicing on iRace to get better. Hopefully you guys see the progress as well. And it means a lot. I saw a lot of YouTube comments with feedback for me to improve. Thank you so much on that too. That means a lot. And yeah, this is really nice to make that more step towards 3K iRating. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Once again, it means a lot. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because it will help me as a small creator, like majorly to grow. And yeah, that was enjoyable, guys. So I can't wait for the next one. And thank you guys for watching. Ciao.